Welcome to the world united. Yeah. Welcome to the world united.
Dr. Yugandhar, you mentioned about finding the internal consciousness in the lower belly. I believe you have a concept for that called HARA. And you mentioned central intelligence. There is this English movie called Central Intelligence, which is a funny movie by itself, but the word central intelligence is awesome. Please go ahead with your thoughts on the belly and HARA. More information.
So this was not told by anyone, any of my elders, and this was not read by me. It was a natural discovery in my case. And for the intelligence that I had, a child's consciousness, I never felt like thinking that it is uncommon or rare. No, I felt that it is common for every human being. The journey continued. As a child, I was academic. I was very much interested in reading books, but never followed the conventional style of reading, like reading the book chapter wise, preparing for exams. Okay, preparing for exams was there, but chapter wise reading, the systematic style of reading, a conventional mode of memorizing things, no. I had a habit of reading the entire book. If I start book, I complete it. Textbooks and storybooks were alike for me. So that's the reason why I developed a strong dislike for textbooks, because to read line by line, chapter by chapter, remembering all these things was very disgusting for me those days. But because I was into the habit of reading books, I used to read a lot of books, story books. Till date, I have not met a person who read more stories than me. Fortunately, we had in Kadapa town a lot of libraries, wonderful libraries, and I used to complete nearby libraries completely. I used to go to a district headquarters, a very big library, very popular library of the state. So frequently, I used to go there. Every evening, my leisure time was in library.